Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a description in your YouTube channel from a mobile. That's very simple. First of all, you have to install the YouTube app in your phone and then you have to open it. You have to click on the profile icon of your YouTube channel and then you have to click on view channel, and here you will get an icon, pencil. You have to click on here and then you will get the option to change the description of your YouTube channel. So if you click on this pencil icon, then you can write the description of your channel, and after writing here, if you click on this save button, then the description of your YouTube channel is going to be changed. So that's all about today's video, how you can change the description of your YouTube channel from a phone. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox.